everybody. Welcome to week 1. In week 1, we'll go over Unit 1, Module 1. I'm here to give you an introduction as to what you should do this week. When you enter the course, you're going to head to week 1, Module 1. In Module 1, I'd like you to take a look at the module overview, and that's where you'll find the objectives of this module and what you're required to do here. You'll also take a quick look at the topics that we'll cover this week and some key terms to help you out in case you need some help to understand these terms. After you go over the overview, you could easily navigate to other parts of this module by clicking on this arrow. So you'll head to the preparation materials and knowledge checks. And here is the materials that you should practice for this week. It's a mix of listening to audios, watching videos, and reading some content. There are also knowledge checks to give you an idea of your level after you practice the materials and to give me an indication of where you're at. Nobody could see the results of these knowledge checks except me. Along with the preparation materials this week, you'll have a mini ebook, and that ebook consists of samples of opinion essays and discussion essays, and those are going to be very helpful in order to help you out with the discussion boards that you'll engage in and to submit your own essays. You'll also find the assignment requirements here, so please take a look at that, read them carefully, so that you understand what you're supposed to do this week in terms of the assignment. This is called a discussion board, and here you'll interact with your classmates and with me in order to communicate what's required here in the instructions. So please read the instructions very carefully and make sure to post your response within the deadline. After you finish the first discussion board, you're going to head to the second one. The second one is a reflection on the diagnostic test that you solved before you enrolled in this course. Now, this reflection is going to be really helpful to get to know your weakness points and your strengths and to help you work on those weakness points and strengths. Sometimes you'll be required to reply to your classmates' posts, and other times you won't need to do that. In case you need to do that, you'll find the instructions written here. After this discussion board, you'll head to the third discussion board this week. And that's where you'll post your essays and get feedback from your classmates and from me. And then after you finish the first discussion board and the second one and the third one, you're going to be required to submit both of your essays here by clicking on this section. And that's what's required of you in the first week. Enjoy the week, and I'm very looking forward to working with you.